6.3, sixth one. Find the slope of the normal to the curve x equal to 1 minus a sin theta, y equal to b cos square theta. So to find the slope of the normal, first we have to find the slope of the tangent. So slope of the tangent equal to dy by dx. Now y is given x equal to 1 minus a sin theta and y equal to b cos square theta. So for dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. That is equal to dy by d theta, derivative of b cos square theta with respect to theta. That is b into derivative of cos square theta. That is 2 cos theta into derivative of cos theta. That is minus sin theta. Divided by dx by d theta, derivative x with respect to theta. Derivative 1, 0. 0 minus a into derivative sin theta. That is cos theta. That is equal to minus 2b sin theta cos theta divided by minus a cos theta. So minus is cancelled and cos theta is cancelled. So that is 2b by a sin theta. Now theta, now we want, this is slope of the tangent, that is dy by dx. Now we want to find the slope of the tangent at theta equal to pi by 2. We have to always slope of the tangent and slope of the normal are some numbers. So substitute that point. So here we have to substitute the point theta equal to pi by 2. So slope of the tangent equal to at theta equal to pi by 2. That is equal to 2b by a equal to 2b divided by a into sin theta, that is sin 90, that is 1. So 2b by a. So this is the slope of the tangent at theta equal to pi by 2. Now we have to find the slope of the normal. Question is find the slope of the normal. Now we can find the slope of the normal. So slope of the normal equal to minus 1 by slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent 2b by a. So minus 1 by 2b by a. That is equal to minus a by 2b. So slope of the normal equal to minus a by 2b. Now seventh one, find the points at which the tangent to the curve is parallel to the x-axis. So tangent is parallel to the x-axis. That means, see, suppose x-axis, y-axis, and suppose if the slope of the tangent, find the points at which the tangent to the curve is parallel to x-axis. Points where the tangent, suppose at this point tangent is parallel to x-axis. So we have to find the points on the curve at which tangent is parallel to x-axis. We know if a line is parallel to x-axis, slope of that line is 0. So when the tangent is parallel to x-axis, slope of the tangent equal to 0. So here we can find the slope of the tangent, then we can write slope of the tangent equal to 0, then we can find the points. So first we have to find the slope of the tangent. So slope of the tangent equal to dy by dx. That is equal to dy by dx. 3x square, derivative x cube, 3x square minus derivative of minus 3 into derivative x square, 2x, minus 9 into 1, that is minus 9. That is 3x square minus 6x minus 9. That is dy by dx. Now given that tangent is parallel to x-axis. So at this point, tangent is parallel to x-axis. So we can equate the slope of the tangent equal to 0. So at when the tangent is parallel to x-axis, slope of the tangent becomes 0. So since tangent is parallel to x-axis, slope of the tangent equal to 0. Slope of the tangent equal to 0. Therefore, we can write, 3x square minus 6x minus 9 equal to 0. So using this we can find the value of x. So therefore 3 into x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So slope of the tangent equal to 0. Using that condition we can find the value of x. So we get the point. So 3 we can take to this side, cancel. So x minus 3 into x plus 1 equal to 0. Minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. So x equal to 3, x equal to minus 1. 3 or minus 1. So these are the values of x at which tangent is parallel to x-axis. So there are two values, therefore there are 2 points at which tangent is parallel to x-axis. So we can substitute to get the y. Here we got only x coordinate. So to get the y coordinate, we have to substitute these values in the equation of the curve. So when x equal to 3, y equal to, substitute in the equation of curve, y equal to x cube, 3 cube, that is 27 minus 3 into 3 square minus 9 into 3 plus 7. So this is 3 square into 3, 27, 9 into 3, 27 minus 27 cancel, minus 27 plus 7 minus 20. Then x equal to negative 1, y equal to, substitute here, y x equal to negative 1 cube, negative 1 minus 3 into negative 1 square 1 minus 9 into negative 1 plus 7. So minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 plus 9 5 plus 7 13. So minus 1 minus 3 into 1 minus 9 into minus 1 plus 9. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 plus 9 5 plus 9. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 plus 9 5. 7 plus 5 12. So which are the points? So find the points at which tangent is parallel to x-axis. So required points are, therefore the required points are 3 minus 20, 3 negative 20 and negative 1 12. 12, minus 1 12. So 3 minus 20 and minus 1 12 are the required points. Now we can find the 8th one. So question is find the points. So only points we have to find. Then 8th one, find a point on the curve. Find a point on the curve y equal to x minus 2 whole square, at which tangent is parallel to chord joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4. Suppose this is a curve and we have to find the point on the curve at which tangent is parallel to. Suppose at this point tangent is parallel to chord joining 2, 0 and 4. This is the chord joining. Chord means line segment joining any 2 points on the curve. So this is a chord joining 2, 0 and 4, 4. So we have to find the point on the curve. Point on the curve at which tangent is parallel to the chord. So tangent is parallel to chord means this slope of the tangent equal to slope of the chord. So we can find the slope of the tangent. So slope of the tangent means dy by dx. That is equal to dy by dx. That is equal to derivative of y. That is 2 into x minus 2 into derivative x minus 2 1. So 2 into x minus 2. So then we can find the slope of the chord. Slope of chord joining these 2 points, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 4 minus 0 divided by 4 minus 2. That is 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. Now we can find we can equate slope of the tangent equal to slope of the chord. Therefore 2 into x minus 2 equal to 2. Solving that we can find, so x minus 2 equal to, cancel 2, x minus 2 equal to 1. So x equal to 3. So we got the x coordinate. Now we can find the y coordinate. We have to find the point. Find a point on the curve. So x equal to 3. X coordinate is 3. We can find y. Y coordinate from the equation of the curve. So y equal to 3 minus 2 whole square. That is 1. So required point is 3, 1 on the curve. Okay.